All right, we're gonna bring the ASUS. ASUS has about 4 connections: main connection, power on, and a reset button. It's 3 antennas. I'm gonna plug it in right now. Power in, goes to my switch. With the instructions, you could download the app here. So first of all, when you log into the web, it's gonna give you this, and then we're gonna say create network, all right? And you're gonna create a name for the network here, right? So I'm gonna let you create it. Let me stop. So once you create your network and your password, this is a very important thing here. You can separate your 2.4 and your 5 hertz, all right? So for older equipment, it does need 2.4, but this system automatically will juggle which system belongs to what. So you have older equipment, it'll still be compatible, but it'll distinguish. It'll give you a faster connection on the 5 hertz. Now the router is going to ask you if you want to install an admin or create your own username and password. Make sure you remember this, because this is where you want to maintenance and do updates. The old router, I'm showing you guys the old router, how it's connecting. Look at the speed test. We're going to do this. We're going to set this computer up to the new router so you guys can see. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is our speed from the old router. Now we're going to do the speed test from the new router, and what we're going to do is going to click here. Look at the difference on that. That's double, quadruple, but 10 times faster, 20 times faster than what we had before previously. All right. Of course, the faster speed you get is when you connect directly, but we're doing it wirelessly from the router. So really good speeds, you know. We got 486 download speeds and 250, close to 240 upload speeds. All right, let me show you a little bit about the information here. So right now, currently, we have the firmware. It tells you the firmware, wireless router. You have all these access to change whatever you want. You can always come back and change your network, your wireless, your password. You could create wireless for guest accounts. It has child protected parental control systems that you could block certain websites, LAN connection speeds, WAM, and so forth. Now this will identify pretty much all the devices are connected to. So this is a perfect way to come in here and check things out or change things. So very simple. Everything was like a couple clicks away, and you're able to set this up and make changes. So as long as you remember the actual user name and password, and also how to get to your router. You could get 2 ways to your router: through IP address or by typing in ASUSrouter.com. So 2 ways. All right. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right. So whenever you want to get to the router, go to your internet browser. All right. Now, one thing you have to type in here, I already typed it in. I'm not going to retype it. You guys can see it. It says ASUS router. All right. You enter it, and it gives you this screen. That's where you have to type in your username and your password that you created.